All right, y'all, you guys are going to absolutely love this one. I got some friends and family in the house today. We're going to make some Colorado green chili. Let's go. All right, you guys, we just got done tasting this Colorado green chili, and I tell you what, it's got a kick, and it's packed full of flavor. You guys are going to love this one. Let's go. All right, you guys, Colorado green chili. Oh, buddy, this one's gonna be good. We're gonna get these peppers on the smoker. Let's go. All right, you guys, I'm excited for this one. If you're not familiar with what a chipotle is, essentially it's just a jalapeno that's been smoked. We're actually gonna smoke all of these peppers today. We have green bell pepper, Anaheim, red bell pepper, red jalapeno, green jalapeno, and plenty of poblanos. We're going to smoke these on a Traeger Timberline 1300 at 275 with Hickory pellets. Let's go. All right, you guys, we got the peppers on the smoker. Let's get the onions and celery going. We're going to saute these until they're translucent, and then we're going to make a roux with masa and butter. All right, once you got the celery and onion on, give it a little bit of salt. All right, guys, we're gonna let this do its thing. We'll be right back. All right, guys, this is what you're looking for on the celery and the onions. They're ready, a little caramelization. Good to go. All right, we're gonna get a roux going. 4 tablespoons of butter and 4 tablespoons of masa flour. I'll let that do its thing. And while that's going, I'm gonna get these peppers ready to add in here. All right, you guys, we're ready to add some chicken stock. Let's go. All right, you guys, let's go ahead and get the peppers added. Oh man, these peppers smell great. This chili is gonna be very vibrant. It's gonna be good. All right, you guys, we're gonna add 2 teaspoons of Worcestershire and 5 tablespoons of our chili spice. If you haven't watched our original chili video, do so and you'll learn how to make this spice, or you can just visit platedandpours.com. The recipe is out there. All right, you guys, let's get the pulled pork added. Oh man, when it does that, you did it right. Nice and clean. Oh man, this smells so good. You guys are gonna love this one. All right, you guys, we're gonna let that go 20 minutes and we're gonna get it plated. Check it out. All right, y'all, I'm excited for this one. This Colorado green chili looks fire. Cordell, you ready?
Yes.
All right, let's go. I'm gonna get a little bit of this guac, a little bit of this pico. Gotta get a chip. Some pork, some pepper. Oh, snap.
That was right up the stove.
Man, that is good.
That's got a kick to it.
Yes, it does.
All those peppers combined.
Wow. Wow. Woo! That's good.
My lips hurt.
Yeah, that's got a kick to it without a doubt. Man, if you guys like a little bit of spicy, along the lines of like a Mexican vibe, You guys will absolutely love this soup. You guys got to make this one. Till next time, ciao. Dude, that's fire. That is like straight fire.
Literally fire on my tongue.
It's so good.
Went away. Like those little hot tamale candies.
Yeah.
I eat them like it was candy. And then now I just can't even eat one.
Well, technically they are candy.
It's sad.
All right, y'all. We just got done tasting this Colorado green chili. It's spicy. It's got a kick, but it's good. You guys are going to love this one. Enjoy.
Do it again.
Why?
You went straight from. That's because it is candy.
All right.
Listen.